Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here in YOUCANIC we have a 2020 Honda Civic. And on this Honda Civic we're going to go over the procedure in which you can do to be able to replace your window door switches. These are the switches to raise your window up and down, as well as the lock switch and all that. And we're going to go over how you would do that. So first, of course, you have your door open, and this is the driver's door. And we need to pop this cover off, so use a good non-marring tool to be able to get inside there. And just start working it up. Work your way around. There's a little bit of clip on the back, and then you'll be able to just pop this whole thing out of there. And now we have the electric connectors on the back. We need to press this tab. We pull that one out. Same thing, press the tab right here. There we go. And we get that one out. So there are two separate units. This one here is for controlling your windows, and that's one, not your windows, for controlling the mirrors, your electric mirrors, left and right. And so that one you can replace as one separate unit if you need to be. And then this is all one full unit right here for the windows and the door lock mechanism. So you'll just be able to flip this over. We remove these screws and we pop this unit out. Okay, so with the 4 screws removed, we'll now be able to pop this unit out, and we just pull it straight out. You would take your new one and go in the reverse order, and we just line it up in there and then install the 4 screws. Alright, so we installed the 4 screws. If you're only replacing this component, because that's the only portion that's bad, then you would just go ahead and reinstall that. But if you're just replacing just this unit, we'll go over that process. And this unit is just 2 screws to undo. So with those 2 screws undone, we'll be able to now pull this out and to be able to take a new one and just replace it. So you'll take your new one, install it, put the 2 screws in and tighten them up. So that would be how you'd replace any of these components in your door handle here, switch component. Now when you're done doing that, you'll just want to make sure that you hook the electric up to it. You snap the first one, and then get this one to lock in. Double check it's good to go. And now just work it down. Clamping it all back together. And so that's how you would replace your window door switches as well as your mirror switch in your 2020 Honda Civic. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be a mechanic.